If you're still paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus in 2025, you might want to stop and ask, is it actually worth it anymore? In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate AI buying guide for 2025. Let's be honest, ChatGPT Plus isn't for everyone. If you're not using it every single day, that $20 a month can quickly feel like a waste. Maybe you're only using it for writing emails, summarizing articles, or getting help with homework. If that's the case, free tools can do 90% of what you need without costing you a dime. So, what do you actually get with ChatGPT Plus in 2025? First, you unlock GPT-4o, which is multimodal, meaning it can handle text, images, voice, and documents all in one conversation. It's incredibly fast, accurate, and shockingly versatile. But here's the catch. It's only worth it if you're doing heavy content creation, complex research, or professional-level tasks like coding, data science, or business automation. Otherwise, free tools might be more than enough. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the best free and paid tool that gives you 80% of ChatGPT Plus power. Starting with our first tool, Grok. If you're looking for an AI tool that's more than just a chatbot, Grok offers a bold and unique alternative to ChatGPT in 2025. Designed with a sleek interface and built into X, formerly Twitter, Grok combines utility with personality. It's equipped with deep search, allowing it to pull smarter, web-connected responses, and supports everything from file uploads and text inputs to sketching tools and cloud storage integration with Google Drive and OneDrive. For creators and marketers, it includes image generation and editing, while students and professionals can benefit from its real-time news highlights and citation-based summaries. One standout feature is its customizable personas, from a humorous, unhinged comedian to a serious homework helper or therapist, letting you tailor the tone and style of your assistant. You can also choose how it responds, whether you prefer concise, formal, or Socratic explanations. While the free version runs on Grok 3, upgrading to Super Grok unlocks Grok 4 and additional features. Moving on to the second AI tool, Perplexity AI. If your main goal is accurate, up-to-date information, then Perplexity AI might just be the tool you've been looking for. Unlike ChatGPT, which relies on a static knowledge base, Perplexity is web-connected, meaning it pulls live data, cites its sources, and lets you verify everything it says in real time. This makes it perfect for students, researchers, analysts, or even just the endlessly curious. Whether you're writing a report, comparing product specs, or exploring a deep dive topic, Perplexity gives you fast, reliable answers with clickable citations so you can double-check everything. The free version is powerful on its own, especially for basic questions and real-time fact checks. But the Pro version, $20 per month, unlocks access to Claude 3, GPT-4, and other premium models directly inside the app, so you get the best of both worlds, advanced AI plus live internet access. Now, the third AI tool on our list is Google Gemini. If you already live inside the Google ecosystem, then Google Gemini is a natural fit. It integrates directly with Google Docs, Gmail, YouTube, and even Google Sheets, allowing you to ask questions, generate content, or summarize emails and videos, all without leaving your workflow. Imagine this. You're writing a report in Docs, and Gemini helps you complete paragraphs or fact-checks your sources. That kind of seamless AI assistance makes it incredibly useful for students, educators, marketers, and productivity-focused professionals. Gemini's free tier is limited, and the Gemini Advanced plan for the Gemini 1.5 model is only available in select regions, with varying features depending on your account type. Fourth on our list is Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is one of the smartest ways to access GPT-4, and you might already have it without realizing it. Built directly into Bing, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and other Microsoft 365 tools, Copilot brings the power of AI to where you work every day. The free version of Copilot, via Bing.com or the Edge sidebar, already uses GPT-4, giving you fast responses, real-time web access, and image generation using DALL-E. It's perfect for quick searches, summaries, or drafting content inside your browser. But where it really shines is in the Pro version, embedded into Microsoft 365 apps. Imagine drafting a report in Word, generating formulas in Excel, or summarizing long email threads in Outlook, all with a single command. It's built for corporate users, project managers, and anyone focused on productivity. If you're already paying for Microsoft 365, this is basically a free upgrade to your workflow. You get GPT-4 level intelligence without paying OpenAI directly, and it's tightly integrated into your daily tools. It may not be as conversational as ChatGPT, but for getting work done, Copilot is a powerhouse. Next up is Notion AI. If you're a writer, student, note-taker, or project manager, Notion AI is one of the most underrated tools you can get your hands on. It doesn't just generate content, it's built to work inside your workflow, making your docs, notes, and projects smarter without switching apps. With Notion AI, you can instantly summarize meeting notes, generate task lists, or draft content right inside your Notion pages. It's especially great for organizing scattered thoughts, turning bullet points into structured paragraphs, or brainstorming ideas, all within the same interface you're already using for your work. Writers love it for outlining articles and blog posts, students use it to create quick study notes, teams use it to convert raw notes into clean, shareable documents, and project managers can even turn daily notes into action items in seconds. The cost is around $10 per month, which is cheaper than ChatGPT Plus. And finally, we have Jasper. If your focus is long-form content, blog writing, or SEO-driven articles, then Jasper AI is a serious contender that goes beyond what ChatGPT Pro offers, especially for marketers and business owners. Jasper is purpose-built for content marketing. It comes loaded with templates for blog posts, product descriptions, emails, landing pages, and more, all optimized for conversion and search engine performance. Unlike generic AI tools, Jasper guides you through a structured writing process with tools like tone control, brand voice memory, and team collaboration features. Jasper's plans typically start at $39 per month, which makes it a premium option. But if you're running a blog, content agency, or e-commerce site, that investment can pay off quickly in search traffic and leads. If this video helped you rethink your ChatGPT subscription or find a better tool, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know your favorite AI tool in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.